The new project that we just completed was a 26 Pathfinder TRS model. Customer came in, had a previous product installed in that boat, was very unhappy with it. It was failing, it was peeling up, it was faded. So we did a complete tear out of that product. We installed high-tech deck throughout that boat using our teak over black and also our charcoal over gray. With the two-tone in the boat, it really complements the navy blue hull, the navy blue underside of the T-top. Come on, let's go take a look at this boat.
All right.
See how it came out.
Let's take a look
Guys
at it.
worked hard on it.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
What do you think?
That's way more than what I expected, man. That looks incredible.
He was floored. I mean, no pun intended, but when he saw the boat, he was really excited about it.
Oh, wow. Feels good. You're not slipping on this.
He seemed very happy, very pleased with everything.
Wow, man. Got the measurement. Oh, and the Pathfinder logo. Slick. Looks amazing. This just looks like, I've never seen anything like it. Nobody's got a boat that looks like this. It looks amazing.
We went with the teak over black with the teak line pattern on port and starboard. And then I incorporated the diamond pattern straight down the center of the boat. So everything down the center's got the diamonds in the charcoal over black. And then up on the tops of the gunwale, just alternated the colors to make it pop, kind of blend. So wherever there was tan, up on the gunnel, we did the opposite color. We try and set ourselves apart from the competition by, you know, giving the customer more than what they expected, but it doesn't cost more.
High-tech deck is definitely reigning supreme. When I went to the shop, that was one of the first things I noticed was how immaculate everything was, his equipment, everything, and I knew I was dealing with somebody that was very particular. When he first showed me the design on the computer patterns, I'm like, wow, you could do that with, you know, with decking? And he's like, yeah.
Fit and finish of everything, the teak lines are all lined up, you know, around the hardware. I mean, we really pay attention to detail. We're dialed in and are doing high quality craftsmanship on every boat.
This is more than what I expected, man. It looks just, it's outstanding.
We don't have any adhesion issues. We don't have any staining. We don't have any fading. We need to ensure that that product's going to be durable and it's going to last in the boat for the customer to enjoy it for many years to come.
He showed me the material, closed cell material versus the open cell, which stains. So safety's important too. I don't think anyone's going to have a look like this. It's functional. It keeps you safe. We're really pleased with the results. It came out great. If you are going to do anything with your boat or anything marine, I strongly recommend high-tech deck.
We're making these boats look sexy on the water.